Hello and thanks for joining me for an updated demonstration video of my mod for Project Zomboid, which is Custom Vending Machines. You can find it on the Steam Workshop. This does only work for build 42.13. If you are using build 42.12, there is a legacy version available. You can find the link to that in the mod description, and I'll put a link to the mod down below. So we'll just quickly go through the sandbox settings, which have changed a little bit since the last demo video that I did. So we're going to solo. The mod does only work on single player at the moment. I would like to make it compatible for multiplayer, but it's just not in the books right now. So anyway, first thing you want to do is make sure that you do have it installed, and then go into your custom sandbox, choose whatever map you want, and then if you come down the bottom here, custom vending machines, and this is where you put in your items which the vending machines will sell. So there are two types of vending machines. There are drinks vending machines and there are snacks vending machines. You can have 5 items per machine. You can put in whatever you want. You will need to use the item ID, and we'll get to this bit a little bit later. So to get the item ID for the items that you want, you're going to want to go to Google, you type in PZ Wiki and the item that you're looking for. It should come up with a link, and if you follow the link relative to the item that you're looking for, you should get a page like this on the PZ Wiki. If you scroll down that page, you can see the bit on the right hand side with the red. If you scroll down to the bottom of that, you'll be able to find the item ID down there, and so then you can put that in here now. So you can put it in like that. You do not need to put in the base dot, but it still will work if you do. The important thing is that it is case sensitive, and you do need to have the spelling correct. And then once you've done that, once you've chosen your 5 items for each machine, just go ahead and make your character as per normal and get into the game. So what I'll do now is we'll go into the challenge mode. So I do have a challenge that I've been working on, and if we tick this box here, this overrides a bunch of the settings, and it won't show you in here exactly what it overrides because it does that after the game launches. But you can still put in whatever items you want here. So I do have a preset here just to show you exactly what fields are overridden, which make the challenge the challenge. So nothing in that one, and you can do whatever you want there for the challenge. In zombie, we do have this one set to 0. Okay, so this won't show up there, but once you launch the game, if you've ticked the challenge box, then that will be overridden to 0 there. All these yellow ones will be overridden to none, including the generators. In the world, the gas pumps will be set to empty with a 100% chance of them being empty. In nature, fishing abundance and nature's abundance they will be set to very poor. And nothing really changed in the meta. You can have the mini-map if you like, that's fine. You can do whatever you want with any of the things that aren't overridden. You can set them however you want in the character. Okay, this will not be overridden, but if you are doing the challenge, I do recommend that you start with the starter kit, and it's up to you, all clothing unlocked as well, because the way this challenge is set up, you're going to have a very hard time finding any weapons or food until you get yourself to a vending machine and have enough cash on you to buy food. Vehicles I have not touched there. That doesn't get overridden. If you are finding it too difficult, then I would possibly recommend maybe turning the vehicle spawn rate up. That'll give you more chance to find extra wallets and cash in vehicles. The livestock is not touched. Let me see, I missed something back here. Okay, so down here as well, the experience for fishing, foraging and trapping is halved. Okay, so this challenge is set up so that you pretty much have to rely on the vending machines quite a bit. And then you choose your starting items. You don't have to have these ones. These are just default ones that I put in. So you choose those and then off you go. Create your character as normal and see how you go. So now I'm just going to load up a save. And I'll be back in just a moment once it's loaded up, and I'll give you the demo of the mod in action. Okay, so in this save I've got myself to a couple of vending machines. I do have some money, and if we right click here we can see we've got some items for sale here and some different items for sale here. The prices are based on the item's weight and also based on some of the item's stats. So if I did not have enough money on me, can't afford it, okay, but we can go ahead and buy ourselves a packet of cigarettes, and that will spawn in the vending machine. And you do have a chance of getting a flyer every single time. I do have flyers added to the game, but build 42.13 did break them. They will be fixed as soon as I have enough documentation to fix them with. Yeah, if I started to buy something, so let's just have a look at our cash. Got 103 money there. If I go to buy the, let's just pin that too. If I go to buy the corned beef, see the money goes down. If I walk away, like if I had to fight a zombie, then the money will be refunded back in here. And you can grab it out again, and we're back to our 103. So that's the vending machines in action. They do need power. If they don't have power, then when you right click on them, it will give you a character dialogue saying that it needs power. So now we're going to head on over here. And show you how you can change your items. So if you want to change your items, then you're going to want to find yourself a computer. The computer does need power. You right click on there, you'll see this menu to log in. And here are your drinks machine products. Here are your snacks machine products. So you can change this. And every time you do order new products, all the prices do increase. So you can also you can log out up here. You can also just click that button there. So now if we head back, now the pop bottle ID spits out a random pop bottle. It'll always show up in the menu as orange soda. That's just the way Zomboid is, but there it is, and you can see all the prices have gone up by $1. Okay, so that was $6 before, now it's $7. So by that, it'll give us a random bottle of pop. There we go. So that is basically that's basically a demo of the mod and how it works. And that is going to do it for this video. So if you did enjoy this video, please leave me a like or a comment down below. Feel free to ask any questions. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.